Hi everyone, nice to see you, and today I want to share with you something really exciting for everyone because I want to share with you how to use GitHub Pages to host your static site on GitHub. So I've created this folder, host static, for free. So I just want to drag it here inside VS Code and create a simple HTML file. Let's say index that HTML, and here I will write our HTML. Okay, so free hosting. Okay, so we're gonna put an h1 inside there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this to GitHub. Okay, so I'll go here and directly click on publish repository and publish it on as a public repository here on host static for free. Okay, and now include this index.html and 1, 2, 3, 4. It's done, and I can open it on GitHub here. Here it is. I have my index.html, and now all I have to do is go to the settings, pages, and then I can here in GitHub Pages it says that GitHub Pages is designed to host your personal, organization or project pages from a GitHub repository. Okay, so this is just what we've been looking for, and let's deploy our HTML file, our static site. Okay, so there are many ways to do it. Okay, we could have used React or Svelte or Angular and then build the files and then put them here. Or there are also ways from GitHub, as you can see here, GitHub Actions. If we choose this, then we have different GitHub Actions. Maybe we'll talk about this later, but then you won't need to build your site and then push it to GitHub before deploying it or hosting it. GitHub can do it for you. But for now, for everyone, we'll just use the branch master and the root. That's the root folder, which is our folder here. Then our index.html will be the default page inside that root. And as I said, we can host any static site built from any framework or library. But here we are using just an HTML file, and we can add CSS and JavaScript too. But I just wanted to show you how to do it. And there can be maybe CSS developers. Are there CSS developers? Yes, there are. Or just web designers who want to build some MVPs to show or to demo to your clients. And then here is, I believe, among the easiest way to do so. So you can also add your custom domain. Okay, so what you need to do here is to add the CNAME, and I don't think we have an IP address from here, but then you can just add your domain here and then save, and then follow some instructions. Okay, so here we have root folder. What it tells us here is that we have to wait when we initiate it the first time. So I will show you something that I've already published before. This one here. Okay, so let's check it out on GitHub, as you can see here. Then here on the settings, I have pages. See, we have the same settings that we just had earlier on master, on root, And this is a simple HTML page on which I have taught about Flex. And this is the source code, just HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so on. Okay, so after that, we have the link to our site live here, as you can see here. And this is a great responsive demonstration, I think. Okay, so that is all that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you are using this feature. I believe it is among the easiest way to host your static sites. Okay, so we will see another way to do it next time. So thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions. Leave a like if you did like the video.